Hi guys, I have an unboxing for you today. This is a new plane from Horizon Hobby. It's the Parkzone F4F Wildcat, 1 meter wingspan. It is a bind and fly version of the plane. Comes with everything. You can just bind it up to your Spectrum transmitter. Very cool plane. I also have this one in UMX size. So it also has some features for helping. It has this AS3X stability and precision technology. So good for beginners. This one has no landing gears. You just have to send the plane. See here, the wheels are mounted inside here. It does not come out. So we're gonna see what's inside the box. Here we are, the fuselage, carbon rod, the main wings, and some parts in here, some straps and screws, and bind plug. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to see all the parts. Here we are, the fuselage, main wings, and the wings at the rear, and the carbon rod, and the parts here. And we have the instructions. That is everything. This. Have a look inside. Here we have 2 servos. The receiver down here. This must be for the main wings. And we have the ESC. I think like the ESC should be glued somewhere. And the batteries looks like they are going here in the front. Yes, so I'm gonna put this plane together now. So I think that will go very quick. There is a few screws in here, so we'll have to screw in the main wings. This will go very quick. Like that. I need to mount these also. I'll take that later. Main wings. Here we have the connector for the servos here for the aileron. there's a hole in here for the cable. That's one side of the wing, and the other side. Also have the cable here. It goes in the hole there, if you can see it. Putting the cable inside the hole. Like that. And I think I need to see here. There are holes here. This comes from the wing. I think I need to set a screw in one here and one there, and connect the Y cable. So I'm going to connect the Y cable to the two connectors for the aileron. That's one. And two. So they are connected now. Like that. We have screws in this bag. Some other parts. Here we have the screws. There are 3 screws, but I only need 2 of them, so I have one in spare. Get the 2 screws in. To tighten down the rings. That's one. That's 2. There is some tape here for the rear wings or elevator. Just tape to get on here, so this won't fall off. One on each side. Like that. We have these, but I'm gonna do them later. So what I'm going to do now with this plane is just to bind it up with my Spectrum transmitter, and she should be good to go. Yes, thanks for watching, and bye bye.